victory was never going to come quietly. After months of fighting the government, the High Court has ruled Palestine Action's ban significantly interfered with the right to freedom of speech.
We are all Palestinians!
Supporters were prepared for either outcome, but this is the version they wanted.
The Home Secretary today has reacted, saying that she's disappointed. What's your response to that and the fact that the government has said that they will be appealing?
The Home Office built this entire case upon lies and manipulation of their own policy. That isn't an opinion, I'd like to make clear. That is in the ruling.
Their ban was announced last year, shortly after the group claimed responsibility for a break-in at an RAF base in Oxfordshire. More than 2,000 people have been arrested at demonstrations since, leading to condemnation from civil rights groups. The High Court has ruled that while the group uses criminality to promote its aims, the ban is disproportionate.
Well, despite the celebratory mood here, the court did say that the ban remains in place for now to allow the government to make further arguments. That means it does remain a criminal offence to support or be a member of Palestine Action.
But the Metropolitan Police said it will no longer arrest people for expressing support for the group.
Many people who do protest will do so peacefully, but there are those who are intent on criminality.
The court was very, very clear that there is a criminal justice process and criminal justice laws that can be used against people who break the law, and that is the appropriate means by which this government should be using. To use terrorism legislation is an absolute misappropriation of government powers.
The judgement is a massive blow to the government, which it says it will appeal. Amy Lewis, ITV News at the High Court.
Our political correspondent Shihab Khan is in Westminster, and Shihab, this is a huge blow to the government.
Yeah, absolutely. As Amy has just said in her report, the Home Secretary Shabana Mahmood has said that she is very disappointed by this, mainly because of the amount of the strong rhetoric that went into the decision in the first place. It was made by the previous Home Secretary, Yvette Cooper. It was controversial at the time. There were plenty of Labour MPs that were not particularly happy about it. This will now reignite that debate about whether or not it was a good decision in the first place. And given the pressure that's been on the government, that's not really a debate they will want to focus on right now. Now, we've been told that the government intends to appeal. Another reason why this isn't good news for the government is because that costs money. We know hundreds of thousands of pounds have already been spent because court cases cost a lot. There's going to be further cost to this as well. For the government, who want to be focusing on their domestic agenda at a time when they're under pressure, this debate is not really something they want to focus on, and a messy appeal process means that this is going to rumble on.